Hi there everyone and welcome to HOMAG Newsflash. Ligna 2025 is drawing closer and closer by the minute. So let me ask you, have you already planned your visit? If you have, I sure hope you've planned on spending plenty of time at the HOMAG booth. Because this year, we will be presenting all of our expertise aligned in one single space in Hall 14. Under the motto, Building Living Spaces, you will find everything you need to create modern, sustainable, and affordable living spaces. And you know what? We decided to begin today's newsflash in a very cinematic way, with a film preview. And that should be of particular interest to all you CNC fans out there. But I don't want to give away too much just yet. Be prepared for a surprise. And behind this 9 lies, of course, the newest version of our CNC programming software, woodWOP 9. The optimized user interface and operation make CNC programming even easier, providing a real benefit for your workshop. You can also find out more at our live show, of course, at Ligna. But there are even more software innovations. We have significantly simplified the woodCommander 6 user interface for edge processing, making it accessible even to inexperienced operators. Another new function? Reserve edge banding material for specific projects to ensure that the right materials are available for each job. And HOMAG Select offers a completely new user interface, so you can now tag your processing programs, helping you to find and select them even quicker. And there is also software news in timber construction, the latest and now 5th version of WoopWorks. The operating software offers a range of optimized features that simplify the work process on the machine, aiding user-friendliness. Thanks to the modern 3D visualization in WoopWorks 5, details are easier to recognize. Navigation can now also be used while the machine is in operation, for example, to prepare follow-up orders. And with the new measuring function, the distance between any points in the construction can be measured. Starting with the WallTech M300, WoopWorks 5 is gradually replacing its predecessors. But that's not all from digitalization. To find out more about other digital products that will also await you at Ligna, we now have Kai Friebe, Product Manager, Digital Products. Hi there, Kai. Now, I've heard things really seem to be moving forward when it comes to digital solutions by HOMAG, and we can expect some new products at Ligna. Am I right?
Hello, Jasmine. Yes, that's right. Digital innovation in the woodworking industry is gaining momentum. And we are continuously developing the HOMAG portfolio of apps and software solutions to make production processes even more efficient. At Ligna, we will be presenting innovations along the entire process chain for companies of all sizes. One example is our IntelliDivide cutting optimization, which offers several new functions, such as AI-based calculation of production time, the targeted placement of tension trims, and the sorting of parts in the cutting plan according to stacking groups for a smooth process at the saw. Another highlight is the new version of Production Manager, the digital job folder, which sets new standards in terms of flexible workshop organization combined with intuitive usability and new functions, such as lot generation or rework.
Kai, that sounds great, but I have heard that you have yet another special highlight up your sleeve. Is that true?
Jasmine, you will be amazed. I can't reveal too much yet, but there will be a world premiere. We will be presenting a new digital innovation for the first time at Ligna.
Ooh, exciting, Kai. Very intriguing. Can't wait to find out what is underneath there. Thank you so much, Kai. And you can find out just what Kai is hiding in the HOMAG software area, right in Hall 14. Simply stop by and experience the world premiere up close. It is well worth it. But for now, allow me to turn our attention to the machines. After all, there are highlights waiting for you here as well. The SawTech S200 FlexTech brings high-tech automation to SMEs. The robot saw for the trade is a great entry-level model and enables robot-assisted cutting. It also takes on heavy or routine tasks. This does not only support efficiency, but also grants you freedom for creative craftsmanship and challenging projects. You don't have any room left for storage next to the saw? No problem, because with the StoreTech P-200, you can also store your material on the second level above the saw. This means that the area storage system provides a particularly efficient and space-saving solution in a limited space. And with the help of WoodStore, you can keep track of your information and material flow. The EDGETEQ S500 Profi line with robot feed and the LoopTech O400 gantry return system is setting new standards in its field. The innovative robot loading technology is revolutionizing the automation of production processes. With its ability to feed precisely along the in-feed fence and recognize and feed complex stacks, it sets new standards in terms of efficiency and precision. In automatic mode, your employees can also perform other tasks, which optimizes the use of your resources. And the LoopTech C400 circulation system makes our best-selling edge bander even more efficient. The new cycle of the EDGETEQ S500 now also allows automated workpiece return and feed. This allows 400 to 600 parts per shift to be transported and processed. The result is a lean and efficient edging process with an organized flow of parts. And now, pay close attention because there is a premiere waiting for you in the nesting area. We will be presenting the new CENTATEC N210 model at Ligna. Its floor space has been reduced by no less than 25%, which means, in return, that tight space conditions in the workshop are no longer an obstacle. The new generation is designed for maximum user-friendliness and reliability, while at the same time offering the usual functionality and performance. And then there is the CENTATEC P-100, our new machining center for entry-level into the CNC sector. The machine combines flexibility and high performance. It is available both as an entry-level model with 3 axes and as a high-end solution with 5-axis technology. Although it is a compact model, the machine has a wide range of equipment options and a high level of processing versatility. And numerous tools are also no problem. Finally, I would like to share something very special from the edge banding sector with you, namely our EDGETEQ P-200 edge bander. Patterns, ornamental embellishments, images, logos, text. With digital edge printing, you can personalize your edges and have virtually unlimited possibilities. Experience a new level of individualization, efficiency, and creativity. a true revolution in edge processing. The EDGETEQ P-200 will, of course, also be on show at Ligna 2025. So you do already have your ticket, right? Well, no worries. If not, you can still activate your free ticket at homag.com/Ligna. There, you will also find the schedule for our live shows and tech tours. We do very much hope that you will visit us at Ligna from May 26 to May 30 in Hannover. And we very much look forward to welcoming you in Hall 14. See you there.